I hope you're getting all this on video, Scarlett.
We are now. Goodbye. Let's start over again. Hello and welcome to FMC New Cooking. I'm Flynn, and we're going to make some Sea Seagars. And this is Charlie, right here. And behind the camera is the wonderful Miss Scarlett. So, to make these Sea Seagars, we're going to need some lemon. So, this kind of lemon, and here's the avocado. And you're going to need forks, knives, and spoons. And what you're going to do first is you're going to squeeze the lemon into our big bowl here.
Oh my God.
Now, why we want to do this first? Why we want to do this first is because some seeds could fall in, and we do not want seeds. No, I don't want seedy Sea Seagars, do we? Okay, and then now you're going to take your avocado. You're going to take your spoon, and we're going to go and we're going to scoop all the avocado goodness into our little bowl here. And we are not sponsoring Whole Foods. No, but we would like to be sponsored by Whole Foods. That would be nice to think about it. So now we're just scraping off of this in here. And make sure it looks like this when you're done. Because you want all the avocado. You want to make sure you have all the avocado. And there's just like skin slowly. Maybe like squeeze it, like see if you can get any more goodness out of it. Now I'm going to take another avocado slice. And I'll skip through this so you don't have to watch me do this like every 10 seconds. Got this, all done. Shell's done. So guys, goes in there. What you're going to need is squeeze it has to be the same lemon because you don't want a lot. Just squeeze a little lemon around the avocado. Now, make sure not to get it. Once you've squeezed your lemon into the avocado, now you're going to mix it up. Give it a good mix. With a fork or a spoon, depends what you like. Now, Charlie and I are just going to mix it up really good. We use a knife in the first place so we can cut the avocados. Okay, so see this all? We're just going through here and mushing this up here. We're mushing this up here like this. Very good. Now what else you're going to need? Get it creamy. Make sure it's really mushed up. Seaweed. You're going to need seaweed. So we're going to skip through while we just mush the avocado. But we'll be back. I'm going to wash my hands. Like they're not going to see this. I'm going to. We're mixing it up. Once my brother thinks we have enough. And I think we're gonna. This is what it's supposed to look like. And then what you're gonna need to do is, if you do have, you're gonna need these tiny knives. They're very helpful in this. Trust me. They need to be really small. Yeah, that really helps. Trust me. Okay, so what you're gonna do? Take a little knife, get a little spoon, take our seaweed. Take seaweed, and get a little piece of our avocado. And then what you can do? Maybe a little salt, pepper, if you like. So you see this? This is what it's supposed to look like. And then if you want to, you can put another one on, and it'll make a sandwich. So a Sea Seagar sandwich. And I just found a little seed. Yeah. Maybe if you like pepper, salt, pepper, you can add that as well. That's perfectly okay. And I like pepper. I like a lot of pepper. And you roll it up like this. Better go. Like sushi. You roll here. And make me one. Yep. Absolutely perfect. The seaweed with the avocado. So good. Really. So good. All together, it makes an amazing sandwich. An amazing dish. You know, also, this can be used for like an appetizer. Maybe if you want to make this with your kids. I mean, it's really fun to make. And it's very easy. You don't need a lot of items, just household ingredients and items and tools and instruments, I would say. Just make your thing. And you roll it up. You eat. Now you can add salt, pepper, whatever you like.
Yeah, I'm looking for the bigger seasoning.
Enjoy that MC Needs.
Bye-bye, guys.